In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Following that, before starting recording, hit this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to. Then go back and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used Recorder before, hit allow and while using in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this left button. To add a bookmark, click on the right one. And to end it and save it, tap on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, hold it. Click rename in the pop-up and type in wherever you want to. Then select OK. If you wish to get rid of it instead, hold it as well. But this time select delete in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!